Hi, and welcome to today's Nugget, a guided meditation experience created specifically with you in mind, dedicated to helping you let go, surrender, and allow. When I think of surrender, I think of how grateful I am that I have this place, this sacred space to enter, to release all to, somewhere, some entity or force greater than me, or maybe even the compilation of me and all that is, that I can release all to, knowing that it's already handled and taken care of. It's done. Surrender isn't about giving up. It's about giving over, trusting. So with that, I ask you to give over to this moment and to trust that you are exactly where you need to be, right here, right now. Give over to this moment, to this allowing, to all that is, so that you can allow all that will be. And allow these words to permeate your consciousness and to give you all you need. And so with that, I invite you to sit comfortably, maybe even lie down if that's what you need. Only you know what you need. Either way, the goal is to be as relaxed and comfortable as possible. I prefer that you're in a awake state. So maybe put hands on lap, or you can place them gently over your heart or on your belly, whatever feels most at home to you. I invite you now to close your eyes, roll them in the back of your head, and just stay really easy in your body. I invite you to open your heart center, your heart chakra, and allow that love energy to just start to flow through you. As you take a deep, delicious inhale, allow your breath to fill up all spaces within you. Fill your body fully. Fill your heart, fill your pelvis, and then see your breath moving out through your toes. Again, take a deep, delicious inhale. Allow it again to sort of circulate throughout your being, moving the breath all the way through your body. As you are exhaling, relax your eyebrows, relax your jawline, relax your forehead, relax your neck muscles, relax your shoulders, relax your lungs and your pelvis, and allow the breath to be released from the soles of your feet. Last time, deep, delicious inhale, inhale. And exhale the breath. As you're exhaling the breath, flow your breath and that loving energy of yours that you're taking in to any area that you're feeling any discomfort in or dis-ease. Maybe you have a little pain. Just see yourself flowing your breath towards that area now. And exhale. Notice how you feel. I trust that I'm being guided from within. I know that the path is always coming to me, and I know that I'm always on my path. I know that my role is to relax and to allow it to come easily and effortlessly. I know that my role is to enable it to unfold effortlessly on my behalf. I know that I'm always on the path. And I know that even when it seems like I'm off of it, I'm still on it. I'm allowing myself to trust. I'm allowing myself to be confident that I'm being guided in my path. I know that I can allow myself to trust a little bit more, and I'm very thankful for that. I allow myself to be guided to what is of the highest good and highest truth for me and all mankind. I know all is in place. I know all is well. I know that all things are working out for me, for my greatest good. I know even when I can't see them, they are working out for me. And so I let go of all false perceptions. I let go of limiting beliefs. I let go of all obstacles. I let go of all behaviors. I let go of all feelings. I let go of all systems that do not serve me, and all that have been holding me back from my truest desires. I know that the path is a feeling journey, and so I choose to feel good. I know that in feeling good, I can allow more. I can surrender more. I trust and know that all I seek is seeking me. I have faith in that. I believe in that. I trust and I know that all will come to me in the right time and in the right way, all up to divine timing. I know and I trust that all I need to know will be revealed to me in divine timing. I know and I appreciate how loved I am. I know and I appreciate how supported I am. I know and I appreciate how the universe is managing all on my behalf. I know and I appreciate and I understand the continuity of things. And so because of this, I surrender. I can surrender some more. I surrender to your timing source. I surrender to my greatest good. I surrender to your will. I surrender to your way. I surrender to your ingredients. I surrender to your systems. I surrender all. I surrender to my divine purpose. I surrender all. I surrender all. I surrender some more. I surrender all. I trust that I'm being guided from within. I know that the path is always coming to me, and I know that I'm always on my path. I know that my role is to relax and to allow it to come easily and effortlessly. I know that my role is to enable it to unfold effortlessly on my behalf. I know that I'm always on the path. And I know that even when it seems like I'm off of it, I'm still on it. I'm allowing myself to trust. I'm allowing myself to be confident that I'm being guided in my path. I know that I can allow myself to trust a little bit more, and I'm very thankful for that. I allow myself to be guided to what is of the highest good and highest truth for me and all mankind. I know all is in place. I know all is well. I know that all things are working out for me, for my greatest good. I know even when I can't see them, they are working out for me. And so I let go of all false perceptions. I let go of limiting beliefs. I let go of all obstacles. I let go of all behaviors. I let go of all feelings. I let go of all systems that do not serve me, and all that have been holding me back from my truest desires. I know that the path is a feeling journey, and so I choose to feel good. I know that in feeling good, I can allow more. I can surrender more. I trust and know that all I seek is seeking me. I have faith in that. I believe in that. I trust and I know that all will come to me in the right time and in the right way, all up to divine timing. I know and I trust that all I need to know will be revealed to me in divine timing. I know and I appreciate how loved I am. I know and I appreciate how supported I am. I know and I appreciate how the universe is managing all on my behalf. I know and I appreciate and I understand the continuity of things. And so because of this, I surrender. I can surrender some more. I surrender to your timing source. I surrender to my greatest good. I surrender to your will. I surrender to your way. I surrender to your ingredients. I surrender to your systems. I surrender all. I surrender to my divine purpose. I surrender all. I surrender all. I surrender some more. I surrender all. Your support helps us continue to make videos like these, so please like, subscribe, share, comment below. We appreciate your support.